Today I have something new special for you. I took all the Cambridge official books. Basically this section tests the ability to recognize English grammar and at the same time standard written English. Firstly, in task 2, it's really significant to identify the question types such as opinion, advantages and disadvantages or double questions. In introduction part, the goal is to tell the reader what is going to write. In body, each paragraph starts with a topic sentence, then explanation and finally a supporting example. In addition, grammar knowledge is really essential because it contributes 25% of the total marks. At the same time, for task achievement, it's all about quality instead of quantity. So unnecessary information should be avoided. This is Kathoben IELTS. Here you can get scores for all 4 IELTS modules, especially for writing modules. Your performance is calculated based on task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and finally grammatical accuracy. You will receive a score similar to the almost real IELTS exam, depend on your current level. Mainly it's completely free. I'm gonna share the website link in the comment section. As a band 9 candidate, honestly speaking, this source of practice make preparation more structured. Most commonly, chart and map appears in the task 1. I usually follow the structure like introduction, overview and data analysis. Most important thing is for task 1, no personal information should be included. Firstly, read and understand the question carefully. Secondly, find out what is the subject. For instance, I can say household, countries or people. Then paraphrase the question very clearly in one sentence. As a result, it's easier to identify the weakness and improve effectively. At the end of the day, writing it's not about using difficult words. It's about accuracy, structure and clarity.